Hello, hello, hello. I am Terry B. Jones coming to you live again on today with another email marketing content creation idea to grow your brand, reach, and revenue. Okay, as you build know, like, and trust using email marketing. Okay, so on today, I have 5 email marketing tips that will definitely help you to increase sales of your product or service. Okay, and of course, this is always all about email marketing, chit chat cash, as you build know, like, and trust that leads to clicks, opens, and sales. You want people to click on your link. You want people to open up your emails. And I'm getting ready to show you right now 5 tips. Okay. Tip number 1, email your list about your new blog posts. Now, if you have a blog, you have a website, you have been creating content on there, maybe weekly, every 2 weeks, monthly, or whatever that is, okay? And what you want to do is share, hey, look, I just created a new blog post. I have 5 tips on here, how to stay hydrated during the summertime. I have 5 tips on how to, create, a great party, and wedding tips, birthday tips, whatever those things are in your niche. Okay, my niche, of course, is email marketing, so I'll be sharing with you on a regular every day. I'm sharing, email marketing, chit chat cash, tips for you to grow your email list, and that is done on Facebook, that's done on YouTube, wherever I hang out. Okay, and I believe that my ideal client is hanging out. Okay, the second tip is email your list about your new Facebook group. Okay, so Facebook groups are huge. I know if any of you guys watch TV, you'll see there's a commercial where Facebook is showing, a group, and they're dancing or whatever that group is about. Okay, and so you want to take advantage of what's trending. So Facebook groups are trending. And so go ahead on, host a challenge, based on your niche. All right. And that way, at the end of your challenge, you can offer them, whether you want to, offer them some not counseling, coaching, if you are, in that mental health field. Of course, you can offer, counseling for a fee, a strategy session, whatever that thing is you're looking to offer them. But you will do that after you have shared with them in a Facebook group challenge. Okay, something where you will actually give them, an assignment, a small assignment every day that will get them results. Okay, and so after you've given them, a small assignment every day, after 5 days, and they's like, wow, this here, could take my business to the next level. And so, yeah, I need to connect with you so that, I can go further with what I'm doing. Okay. Tip number 3, email your list about your webinar. Okay, webinars are used to sell, high ticket items, coaching, and all those types of things that are more, in your $1,000 space. If you created an online course now and you want to share, with everyone, it's like, hey, I got this new online course. I have this new product, service, whatever that thing is. That's how you do that. So you email your list saying, hey, look, I'm going to be having a webinar next week. Here's the link, looking for you to connect with me. And then the beauty of having an email list and doing a webinar is, after the webinar is done, then you can send the replay, because sometimes people may miss it, they may not come. You can send a replay, and there's a whole set of emails that you can send after the actual webinar took place, to where you can still be making money after the webinar is done and over. Okay. Now, tip number 4, email your list about your new product or service. Maybe you have become an author now. I saw that Sensei, she has a journal now, a book now. She also has where she's offering others how to, get into the space that she's in now. And of course, hey, you can email saying, hey, yes, I have the boutique. Yes, I have the clothes. But guess what? Now I'm able to help you to start your own boutique. Okay. And so you can email about that. I have a new product It's called the 12-part videos done for you money system. So of course, what did I do? I emailed my list to say, hey, take advantage of this. If you're trying to make money online, trying to get started, here's the down, and dirty of how to go ahead on and get started fast. All right. And then tip number 5, email your list about your new social media links to follow you. You've probably seen where Facebook is asking you to connect to WhatsApp. And then, of course, Pinterest is so huge. And what I want you all to do in the comments, if you're not on Pinterest, you're like, hey, I want you to do something on Pinterest. Just put the word Pinterest in the comments, and then I'll do that for you. Also, LinkedIn. If you want me to do something on LinkedIn, let me know. Okay, these are new spaces and places, where people are migrating to. Clubhouse, all those different places. And so, yeah, you want to email to let them know, hey, this is where I'm at now. This is what I'm doing there, because you never know, what can happen from that. Okay. And so, of course, affiliate marketing, as you are learning how to do email marketing, go ahead on in your email, say, hey, put a link to Traffic Wave for them to join your email autoresponder. I'm using Traffic Wave. I have Aweber. I have a GetResponse. And so basically, yeah, MailChimp, you can definitely offer these services to them. And then I have a new email platform that I'll be using just in the near future. Okay, so guess what? I am Terry B. Jones, coming to you live on today with another email marketing strategy to grow your brand, your reach, and revenue. Here's a list of all of the tools and services that I use, and you can definitely take advantage of these things and get started. Okay, today is a great day to get started. Thank you for tuning in, and I look forward to you making that chit chat cash using email marketing.